Hey everybody, it's Jennifer, and today I wanted to do this. This is a Glam Beetlejuice. Take it, roll with it, you know, it's whatever. This was so much fun to do, honestly. I hope you guys really like it. I'm having a ton of fun filming 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel. And also, if you don't know what that is and you're new here, 31 Days of Halloween is just, I'm uploading a different Halloween video all 31 days of October. I would love it if you guys stuck around to see the rest of it, and I'd love it if you guys stuck around to see the rest of my series, and you can do that by subscribing to my YouTube channel. So, this is definitely extra. You definitely don't need the wig. You definitely really don't need the moss glued onto your face, but this was super easy to create, and I had a lot of fun. You know, the only thing worse than your own hair in your mouth is wig hair in your mouth. Anyway, I'm gonna get off here and stop rambling, but be sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. You guys have also, I forgot to mention, you guys have definitely seen this wig on my Instagram before. If you follow me on there, it's always linked down below, because when this came in the mail, I tried it on and my daughter laughed super hard, so then I put it on James and she laughed even harder, and then I put it on herself. And it was so much fun. It was so funny. There's videos and I think a few pictures on my Instagram of my entire family wearing this wig. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into the video, and I hope you all enjoy it.
Okay, so it seems like we're always going to start our videos out by mixing white foundation in with our regular foundation, and I'm just building this up until I'm content with how pasty I am. Make sure you blend this onto your ears and down your neck. This is totally an extra step, but I'm taking a pure white concealer and applying that under my eyes pretty heavily into the center of my face, blending it out, and then I set my entire face with a translucent powder, and then I'm going to fill in my brows as I normally would. To finish off my eyebrows, I'm just taking a bright green eyeshadow on an angled brush and going over my eyebrows pretty heavy until I'm content with how green they are. I'm tightlining my eyes using a purple multi-stick from Wet n Wild, and I'm doing it pretty thick and smudging it down on my lower lash line pretty heavy as well. Now I'm taking a royal purple eyeshadow on a fluffy blending brush and going pretty ham on my upper eye on my lid. I'm blending this pretty far up, almost to my eyebrow, making sure I get in the inner corner really heavy, and then smudging it really far down underneath my eyes. The smokier the better. Now I'm just going to add a thin, well, it's not really thin, I'm adding black eyeliner to my top lash line. This doesn't have to be perfect nor winged out, we're covering it up. Next, taking a green multi-stick from Wet n Wild, I'm just adding some squiggles as I would with a cream contour, and then we're going to buff all this out in a minute. It looks super weird, I'm aware. I also add some of this onto my jawline, going toward my chin as well. Taking a green eyeshadow on a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going over all of that, blending it out, and just contouring. I decided I wanted to drag this down my neck, so I'm adding 2 green areas, shapes, onto my neck with the same multi-stick, blending it out and all of that. Once you're done blending everything out the first time, I'm going in with a more lime green and just going over the edges of that to fade it a little more. Then of course, what kind of glam Beetlejuice would we be without mascara on? This is where it gets a little weird. I found this sheet of fake moss at my Dollar Tree and I'm just peeling it off of the netting and deciding where I want to glue it over my contour, and then I'm taking some lash glue and putting it all down. Super freaking weird feeling, I'm just letting you know. This just adds texture to my face, not necessary. Once you're done adding some super dramatic eyelashes, we're moving on to the lips. I'm just going for a nude glossy lip. I'm using Jeffree Star's Mannequin and Buxom's White Russian. Then just to white them out a little bit more, I'm taking a matte white eyeshadow and going over my lips. And of course, to finish out a glam look, we have to highlight. I'm doing my inner corners, under my brows, my nose, the top of my lip, and my cheek. I go pretty crazy with the highlighters, and I'm sorry, but not really. And now I'll be right back with my green wig on, and then I'm just tying my shirt straps, I guess, into a big bow. I did pin back the 2 front curls of my wig so they weren't falling into my face. To add a finishing touch to this look, I'm just taking a dark yellow eyeshadow after I dried off my teeth, and I'm applying that to yellow my teeth. It feels so disgusting, but it completes the look, guys. This is it.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And, you know, you can follow me on Instagram and all sorts of stuff. All of my information is always linked down below in the description box. I'm having issues talking right now because my teeth feel gross. But yeah, I really like how this look came out. The wig and shirt are both from Amazon. You really just need some purple and green eyeshadows. You don't have to do the teeth. You definitely don't have to glue fake moss to your face. This little piece got caught in the wig and I low-key love how it looks. I don't know why. But yeah, I had so much fun creating creating this video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye guys.